Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sandeep Gaute. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Guru for All. Dear students, आज के वीडियो लेसन में हम बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट पोएम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. It is prescribed in the subject English of class 10th, English medium and board is Maharashtra State Board. Unit number 3 में जो फर्स्ट टॉपिक है that is the poem 3.1 Night of the Scorpion. It was written by Nassim Ezekiel, an Indian Jewish poet. Dear students, I am going to explain this poem in detail and line to line discussion we are going to do. I am going to explain this poem line to line because learning poems is a little bit difficult task for every student. And my aim to record this video is to make the particular poem so simple so you can understand this one, and definitely it will be useful for you for the upcoming examinations. Students, आपको ये स्क्रीन पे दो पिक्चर्स दिखाई देंगे. One picture is of the poet and another picture is of the scorpion. Dear students, deliberately I showed the picture of scorpion over here. So just by seeing this picture you can guess what is there in this poem Night of the Scorpion. We are going to discuss the first warming up section, and after that we are going to discuss the entire poem in detail. I request you all to watch the entire video and try to understand what is given in the poem. If you have any doubts, you can put in the comment box or you can text me on my mobile number. My mobile number is given on the same screen. Please subscribe, like and share. Now we are going to discuss unit number 3, 3.1 Night of the Scorpion. Unit number 3, 3.1 Night of the Scorpion. ये जो टाइटल है थोड़ा हम उसके बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे. टाइटल है नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन एंड व्हाई द नाइट इज कॉल्ड ऑफ दैट स्कॉर्पियन. सो देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन नाउ. इनिशियली वी कैनॉट अंडरस्टैंड, वी कैनॉट इंटरप्रेट डायरेक्टली व्हाई द टाइटल इज गिवन इन दिस वे. ये जो टाइटल है एक्चुअली दिस इज द टाइटल ऑफ अ पोयम. एक पोयम का टाइटल है नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन जो लिखी है नसीम इज़किल ने. And scorpion, everybody knows the meaning of scorpion. In Hindi we call that bichu. Or this night it's called of that scorpion. So we need to understand what is behind this one. क्या स्टोरी है एग्जैक्टली ये टाइटल ऐसा देने के लिए नसीम इज़किल ने ऐसा टाइटल क्यों दिया है. तो शुरुआत करने से पहले हम ये जो वार्मिंग अप सेक्शन यहाँ पे दिया है, शुरुआत मतलब जो एक्चुअल पोएम है, starting discussion of that we are going to discuss this particular section. What is that? Warming up section. Now what is that? We are going to discuss some points given under this one, some activities are given under this, so at least we can get some kind of clue to understand what can or what will be discussed in this particular poem. तो शुरुआत करते हैं वार्मिंग अप सेक्शन में. फर्स्ट जो पार्ट दिया है वहाँ पे, व्हाट इज दैट? आई एम गोइंग टू रीड इट नाउ. प्लीज लिसन टू मी केयरफुली स्टूडेंट्स. डेलिबरेटली आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द टेक्स्ट लाइन टू लाइन. आपको समझ लेना है. सुपरफिशियली मैंने कोई भी वीडियो में डिस्कशन नहीं किया है. लाइन टू लाइन डिस्कशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि आपके एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. Now what is there? Get into pairs and discuss the following with your partners and complete the table. So what is there? One table is given. We can see this table over here. And what is given there? Many people are superstitious. Yes. What is the meaning of superstition? We are going to discuss that also. This means that they have belief for which they have no logical reason. An example of superstition is that walking under a ladder bring bad luck. So this is the superstition actually. What is this? This is the superstition. Walking under a ladder. And it brings what? Bad luck. In pairs, list any superstitions that you know of and one first column is given of superstition and second what it implies, mean what is the meaning of that superstition. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम फॉलो करते हैं एंड दे आर सुपरस्टिशियस. वो फॉलो क्यों करते, वी डू नॉट हैव एनी लॉजिकल रीजन बिहाइंड दैट. हम उसका आंसर नहीं दे सकते हैं. जैसे कि बिल्ली ने रास्ता अगर काट लिया हो तो हम आगे नहीं जाते, दैट इज व्हाट सुपरस्टिशन. तो यहाँ पे मैंने आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया, इसीलिए यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट वन. और एक यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिया है, वॉकिंग अंडर अ लैडर ब्रिंग्स बैड लक. And now what is given here first? So we have to make the list of at least 5 over there. Smashing a mirror. Smashing a mirror is what? That brings 7 years of bad luck. And actually this is the bad, you can say what? This is a kind of some kind of consequences we have to follow, and it has some kind of negativity. एक निगेटिव अप्रोच और निगेटिव मीनिंग हमें सुपरस्टिशन से दिखाई देता है. तो स्मैशिंग अ मिरर का यहाँ पे जो मीनिंग दिया है, जो इम्प्लाई करता है, व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज ब्रिंग्स 7 years ऑफ बैड लक. तो यहाँ पे हम कुछ डिस्कस करते हैं और कुछ सुपरस्टिशन. आई एम गोइंग टू टाइप ऑल दीज ओ हियर. सेकंड एग्जाम्पल है सुपरस्टिशन का, and what is that? Itchy palm. बहुत टाइम हम बोलते हैं, even in discussion so many people are saying that my palm is itching. It means what? It will bring some kind of good luck. ऐसे भी कुछ superstitions है जिनके पॉजिटिव मीनिंग्स है, लेकिन मोस्ट ऑफ द अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करते हो तो नेगेटिव मीनिंग्स आते हैं. अब बहुत कम ऐसे है दे हैव पॉजिटिव मीनिंग्स. अभी इची पाम का यहाँ पे देखिए गुड लक माना जाता है. It may be the reason may be different, but people are following this one, and there is no logical reason why do we feel like this. यहाँ पे मैंने जो थर्ड दिया है ब्लैक कैट्स. ब्लैक कैट्स को हमेशा बैड लक व्हाट इज दैट? बैड लक माना जाता है. जैसे इसी पाम को गुड लक. एंड ब्लैक कैट्स 4 नंबर का देखिए क्या दिया है, ब्लैक कैट्स क्रॉसिंग द रोड. Already I told you that if any black cat is crossing the road, you are not going to cross that road fast because it brings bad luck, and this is the superstition. हमारे पास कोई भी scientific इसका reason नहीं है. And what is the last one? This is very fantastic. Hanging a lemon and 7 chilies in shops. Shops में बहुत सारे shops में हम देखते हैं एक lemon रहता है, 7 chilies, and they are hanging in a shop. और उसका क्या होता है मीनिंग? what does it imply that is to keep away misfortune. कुछ जो गड़बड़ होती है, कुछ बुरा हमारे साथ नहीं होना चाहिए शॉप के साथ, इसलिए ये लगाया जाता है. So we discussed some superstitions over here, like a smashing a mirror, itchy palm, black cats crossing the road, and hanging a lemon and 7 chilies in shops with their meanings. Dear students, why this is given? Why this particular point is given in the warming section? क्यों दिया है? क्योंकि नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन में हमें कुछ ऐसा है जो रिलेटेड टू सुपरस्टिशंस है. अंधविश्वास हम जिसे कहते हैं, व्हाट इज दैट? अंधविश्वास. तो ये जो है इस तरह का जो हम फॉलो करते हैं इवन इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ. ये जो मैंने यहाँ पे एग्जांपल्स दिए सुपरस्टिशंस के, बहुत सारे लोग ये फॉलो करते हैं. और इसका कनेक्शन जो है ये पोएम के साथ है. एंड व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर पोएम, डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट और आइडेंटिफाई सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सुपरस्टिशंस. Now we discussed the first part of this warming up section. Now we are going to discuss the second part of this particular section. Second point दिया है, brainstorm what you know about scorpions. Use the points given below. जैसे कि टाइटल दिया है नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन. Now already I told you what is the meaning of scorpion, जिसे हिंदी में बिच्छू कहते हैं. And what is given there? Scorpions. So there are different types of scorpions also, and here we are going to discuss the you can say what the most important information related to them, like how they attack. यहाँ पे ये सर्कल में दिया है scorpions, how they attack, where they live, then their appearance, and any more information about them. So 4 points are given. What is this one? What is the first one? That is better to take this one first. Their appearance, after that how they attack, and then where they live, and the last one is any more information about them. Now let us discuss all these 4 points in short. What is the first point here? Their appearance. So I give some numbers. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4 already I discussed. Now what is the first one? That is their appearance. There means what? Appearance of the scorpions, and that is given here. Please read this one carefully and also listen to me carefully. Scorpions have generally what? 8 legs, and they have what? A pair of pincers. A scorpion has a pair of pincers and a long tail with a poisonous stinger at the end, and this is the appearance of the scorpion. And how they attack, वो attack कैसे करते हैं? So they attack, a scorpion grabs food in the pincers and sting with its tail to the victim. Actually, in short, I wrote over here, and if you want to collect the information in details regarding scorpions, you can search this one on internet also, but at least you should get aware of some facts related to them, and that is why I give the most important part over here. So how do they attack? I give that one over here. Grabs food in the pincers and sting with its tail to the victim. ये जो pincers है, आगे के जो दो parts रहते हैं उसे हम pincers बोलते हैं. And I am going to show you even the picture of the scorpion, so at least you can understand that one. Some of the students may be aware of the scorpions also. What is the third point given over here? Where they live, कहाँ पे रहते हैं? And basically most scorpions hide under logs, wooden logs, rocks, boards, and some also rest on surfaces, on trees, bushes and walls also. So that is the place where they live. And what is the last one? Any more information about them? So the most important information that I shared over here, what is that? There are more than 1750 known species. 1750 ऐसे स्पेसीज है, अलग अलग प्रकार जो है टाइप्स है स्कॉर्पियंस के. एंड ओनली 25 ऑफ स्पेसीज ऑफ देम कैन किल ह्यूमन बींग्स. और उसमें से ऐसे वेनोमस है जो पॉइजनस है 25, दे कैन इवन किल व्हाट? ह्यूमन बींग्स. So the second point under warming section is brainstorm what you know about scorpions. Use the points given below. Already I discussed the information related to this one, and now we are going to start with the night of the scorpion. तो यहाँ पे हमें warming up section में से क्या समझ आया है? That there is some kind of there is a clue of superstitions, and we are going to observe even some superstitions in this poem. And second one is this is related to scorpion, and that is why we discussed the basic information related to scorpions, like what? Their appearance, how they attack, where they live, and some more information and the most important information related to scorpions. Now we are going to start with the poem, and line to line discussion will be done for the better understanding. The title of the poem is Night of the Scorpion. Already we discussed about this title, why it is called the Night of the Scorpion. हम अभी ये poem में discuss करने वाले हैं. Before starting the poem, actual discussion of the poem, we are going to discuss about the poet Nassim Iskil. Some information is given here, and I'm going to read that one and I'm going to explain it. Nassim Iskil. He was born in 1924 and he died in 2004. Who was Nassim Iskil? He was an Indian Jewish poet, then actor, playwright, means dramatist, editor and art critic also. He was a foundational figure in post-colonial India's literary history, specifically for Indian writings of a wider range. Now, short information is given here about Nassim Iskil. Introduction. He is called the foundational figure. What is the foundational figure? Means he was there to establish, he became the part of that group to establish the post-colonial India's literary history. What is the meaning of post-colonial here? Means after freedom. And there is one line, this is associated with the theme of the poem. What is the line? अच्छे तरीके से समझना है आपको स्टूडेंट्स. The poet depicts the selfless love of mother who is stung by a scorpion. Yes, now we can connect this one. What is given there? Selfless love of a mother for her children who is stung by a scorpion, who is bitten by a scorpion. Now let us discuss how is the incident over there, and we can at least guess now why this title is given, that is Night of the Scorpion, because that night was, you can say, disturbed just because of the biting of the scorpion. Now let us start with the first stanza of the poem. Now first I would like to tell you the most important thing. There are total 8 stanzas in the poem, and it is written in free verse. Yes, we are going to discuss about that one at last even, but you need to understand, you need to keep in mind how many stanzas are there, students. 8 stanzas are there, and even different lines are there. What I mean to say, some stanzas contain 3 lines, some stanzas contain 8 lines, 7 lines, just like that also. Now we are going to discuss actual poem. Now this is the incident from the narrator's life, or you can say even from the poet's life, and the incident is related to what? Related to the what? How the mother was stung by a scorpion and what happened that night. Now we are going to discuss this story. Actually, this is the story of one night in which mother was stung by a scorpion. Now, first stanza. I remember the night my mother was stung by a scorpion. 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of rice. Dear students, there are just 4 lines in the stanza, and the poet clears in the beginning that what happened in that or at that night. His mother, narrator's mother, was bitten or stung by a scorpion. I know I told you what is the meaning of scorpion already, and we discussed various types of scorpions. Now the scorpion came inside the house. What is the reason behind that? There was heavy rain for 10 hours continually. It was raining heavily, and because of that, the scorpion came inside to protect himself, and that scorpion crawled beneath, means under, a sack of rice. What is the meaning of sack here? Sack means bag. Sack means what? Bag. Now this is the introduction. अब हमें यहाँ समझ आता है कि किस प्रकार से इंसिडेंट रहा होगा. This is the normal incident in villages. We know that one. And if you know how scorpions can bite us, and that is why we need to understand this part also. So this is very important to understand, and even you can guess the setting over there. So in the very first stanza, Nissim Ezekiel introduced the subject matter, right? Now what is the next stanza? I'm going to read it. Parting with his poison, flash of diabolic tail, in the dark room he risked the rain again. Just 3 lines are there. Parting with his poison. The mother could be near the bag of rice. She was taking, it may be possible she was taking rice from that bag, and there was the darkness in that room. And just because of that, unknowingly it may be, that mother was stung by the scorpion. And what is diabolic? The meaning of diabolic is given here. Having the qualities of devil or wicked. Means what? Diabolic tail means what? You know what is, there is a tail, and with the help of that, the scorpion can bite and can attack his enemies. Now here you can understand what could happen over there. And he risked the rain again. Now to protect himself, his life again, he was trying to go out, it may be. As it was not seen by anybody, it was not seen by anybody, but this is the this is the description of the incident. Now what happened? So this is, here we understood that there was a scorpion, there was a heavy rain, and the scorpion came inside the house and crawled beneath a bag of rice. And what happened the next one? That scorpion, just because of that scorpion, and the scorpion parted with his poison. With his poison to whom? With his poison in the body of the narrator's mother. देखिए यहाँ पे क्या है, तो उसने बाइट कर लिया है, हमें यहाँ समझ आता है डार्कनेस था. यू कैन इमेजिन इवन द एटमॉस्फियर देयर स्टूडेंट्स. आपको इमेजिन करना है कैसे एटमॉस्फियर रहा होगा वहां पे. एंड जब कोई भी स्कॉर्पियन अगर आपको बाइट करता है ना, यू कांट इमेजिन द पेन ऑफ दैट वन. एंड दिस इज द केस ओवर हियर. नाउ इन द थर्ड स्टैंजा व्हाट इज गिवन, the pigeons came like swarms of flies. Look over here, the simile is used in this particular line. The pigeons came like swarms of flies. So they are compared with the swarms of flies. So this is the example of a simile you need to keep in mind. And buzzed the name of God 100 times to paralyze the evil one. And the neighbors were there. Peasants means what? Farmers, small farmers. They were poor and they came there, and many peasants came there and they buzzed the name of God 100 times. What is the irony is there? 100 times. 100 times. Buzz means what? They uttered the name of. They uttered the name of God. And for what purpose they uttered the name of God? To paralyze the evil one. Evil means what? Evil here, scorpion. Scorpion is called the evil over here. And paralyze means to stop that evil activity. Yes, and the scorpion is too much poisonous. And the mother is paining there. And that is why all the peasants were saying, they came over there to help the narrator's mother. यहाँ पे देखिए फर्स्ट स्टैंजा में क्या किया है, हमें समझ आता है. Mother was, or the narrator's mother was stung by a scorpion or bitten by a scorpion. And how that scorpion came inside the house we understood. Then mother was even, then what is there? There was the darkness in the room, and just because of that, unknowingly she touched the scorpion, and the scorpion parted with his poison in the body of mother. Now in the third stanza already I explained what is given there. Two figures of speech is there. One is what simile, and in here 100 times it indicates irony. Dear students, आपको यह ध्यान में रखना है. क्या दिया यहाँ पे? What is over there? Irony is there. I am going to type so you can understand. IRONY. If you want to know more about these figures of speech, मैंने हर एक figure of speech पे separate video बनाया है, and on my YouTube channel you can observe or you can see the playlist figures of speech, and you can study each and every figure of speech and with different examples. Now we are going to discuss the next stanza. Hope you are getting, students. समझ आ रहा है सबको क्या दिया है यहाँ पे? Yes. What is in the next stanza? Now next stanza is again the description given over there. With candles, with lanterns, throwing giant scorpion shadows on the mud-backed walls, they searched for him, he was not found. They clicked their tongues with every moment that the scorpion made his poison mood in mother's blood, they said. Now some peasants came over there, and what they did exactly, so many neighbors came there to help out, or to help mother, to help the narrator's mother, or you can say even the poet's mother. They came with what? Candles and lanterns. It means what? There was no electricity. And they were trying to find out that scorpion. Where? On mud-backed walls. Mud baked walls means you can understand in villages mud baked walls are there for the houses. But what happened? He was not found. The scorpion was not found. Now they are discussing about, they click their tongues, and with every movement that the scorpion made his poison. It means what? If the scorpion is crawling and if the scorpion is doing that activity, the blood is moving, the blood can move in the blood, in the poison can move in the blood of mother, and it will do what? It will be more paining. And that is why they are saying what? May he still. Now next paragraph, next, not paragraph, that is the stanza. Now what is given in the next stanza? The same explanation is there. May he sit still, they say. Still means what? At one place. If we don't want, if there should not be movement of the poison in the blood, and it can stop only because when only it can be stopped if the scorpion sit still at one place. This may be the superstition. Now you can observe that this group is associated with some traditions, and you can say even the superstitions. Now what is given there? This can be the superstition even. Nobody can prove this one. There is no logic. If the scorpion is crawling and in the same manner, what happens? The poison can move in the blood. So that can be the superstition. May the sins of your previous birth. Now they are talking about sins, bad things, whatever you have done, previous birth, be burned away tonight. All the sins, whatever you have done, they are going to be burned away tonight. Just because of what? Just because of your paining today. May your suffering decrease. Your sufferings can be decreased. They can decrease. They can be reduced. The misfortune of your next birth, they said. Now look, now it is too much. Students, या देखिए क्या दिया है. Now you are paining. आपका यो जो suffering है just because of the biting of that scorpion, ये आपका क्या कर रहा है? Suffering decrease कर रहा है. तो इसका फायदा आपको नेक्स्ट बर्थ में होने वाला है. दिस इज ऑल्सो द बिलीफ that we are going to have the next birth. Nobody knows what is there. Now misfortunes, nothing. So whatever will be, whatever wrong will happen to you in the next birth, it will be reduced. ये कम होने वाला है. क्यों? Because right now you are paining because of the poison of that scorpion. And this is the discussion among the peasants and the neighbors. Peasants and, or you can say even the neighbors of the narrator or the poet. May the sum of all evil balance in this unreal world against the sum of good become diminished by your pain. What is diminished? Means lessen or reduce. Now I'm going to read these 4 lines again. May the sum of all evil things balance in this unreal world. So this is the what? Unreal world. The world is called unreal. Against the sum of good, evil and goodness. Here you can understand two concepts are given over here. Evil and good become diminished means what? That can reduce your what? Pain. May the poison purify your flesh, oh my God, of desire and your spirit of ambition. They said they sat around on the floor with my mother in the center, the piece of understanding on each face. They all were around the poet's mother, the narrator's mother, the speaker's mother, and you can observe. And even actually, who is the eyewitness of all of this incident? The narrator, or you can say the poet himself, and observing the things, what is happening over there. And this is very important to understand in this particular stanza. Now we discussed what was the situation in the house from this stanza. So first 3 stanzas we discussed, and then we discussed this 4th one. I mean to say stanza number 4 and stanza number 5. from this with candles and with lanterns to this one. Next one, what is the piece of understanding on each face? Here we can understand what the neighbors did to reduce the pain of the narrator's mother. पेन रिड्यूस करने के लिए उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया. दे वर ट्राइंग टू they were uttering the names of different gods. Even they have some superstitions, they are mentioned over here, and we can understand this one. They were talking about what, जो पाप आपने इस जन्म में किए हैं, नेक्स्ट बर्थ आपकी जब होने वाली, आफ्टर दिस पर्टिकुलर लाइफ डेफिनेटली योर सफरिंग्स विल बी डिक्रीज, and they were talking about your pain will be reduced. And this poison is purifying your flesh of desire. So this is of what, there are some, these are the thoughts of the neighbors and the peasants. Now we are going to see the next one, next stanza, what is given there. More candles, more lanterns. Now more candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects, and the endless rain. Now here we can understand the situation over there. More candles means, more lanterns means what? Many neighbors came over there. And my mother twisted through and through, growing on a mat. And what is the problem with the mother? We already know that she was stung, she was beaten by the scorpion, and she was groaning. She was groaning means what? A mournful sound conveying pain or grief. Yes. Actually, no one can feel. By reading this poem, we cannot understand the pain of the pain of what? We can imagine the pain of scorpion, that poison. So imagine that she was just, even you can take the example of snake also. हमारे दिमाग में भी आता है snake biting, then definitely we can understand what is our situation. In the same way, this is related to what? Scorpion. And mother was crying in pain. She was really, it is groaning, a mournful sound, what is that? A sad sound. And now my father, skeptic, rationalist. Oh, now two groups are given over here. One, they believe in God and traditions and superstitions. That is the group of peasants and neighbors. And now there is another person who is there. My father. My father means what? The poet's father. Skeptic and rationalist. Rationalist means what? A person who believes in reason, knowledge than opinion and belief, means related to science. It is right. So he believes in science, and what he trying to do? What was he trying to do? He was trying every curse and blessing, powder, mixture, herb and hybrid. He was trying everything. And he even poured a little paraffin, this is the chemical, upon the beaten toe and put a match to it. Now we can understand that. The mother was, even what is given here, the scorpion, which is the beaten area of the body, that is the toe. So here we can understand exact place on the body. And what his father did there? Poured or put a little paraffin upon the beaten toe and put a match to it. Now he is trying to do what? He is trying to reduce the pain of mother. यहाँ पे father जो है narrator के, वो भी क्या कर रहे हैं? He is representing science over here. You need to understand that thing first. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison with an incantation. Now there is another person also, holy man. And he is doing what? He is performing some rites to tame the poison. To tame means to reduce the pain which is created because of poison. With an incantation. Incantation means what? The chanting of the words or mantras. After 20 hours it lost its sting. Now 20 घंटे के बाद में ऑटोमेटिकली जो पेन क्रिएट हुआ था just because of the biting of the scorpion, it reduced. And what is the reply of the mother, my mother only said. Now, अभी तक आपने डिस्कस किया जहाँ पे इंट्रोडक्शन में दिया था सेल्फलेस लव ऑफ मदर, और ये जो है यहाँ ये स्टैंजा में से हमें समझ आता है. और क्या है स्टैंजा? व्हाट इज द स्टैंजा? माय मदर ओनली सेड थैंक गॉड द स्कॉर्पियन पिक्ड ऑन मी एंड स्पेयर्ड माय चिल्ड्रन. लुक, शी वाज पेनिंग. She was spending for what? Near about 20 hours. And after recovery, she is saying, thank God the scorpion picked on me and I was stung by the scorpion and not my children. This is called what? A selfless love of mother for her children. Dear students, you need to understand what is given there. In each and every condition, mother is going to protect her children, and this is the selfless love of mother we need to understand. That means concern कहाँ दिया यहाँ पे? सेफ्टी एंड हेल्थ ऑफ हर चिल्ड्रन. ये इस प्रकार से ये जो पोयम है यहाँ पे ये जो इंसिडेंट दिया है रिलेटेड टू व्हाट? नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन. क्यों कहा ये पोयम को? अब हमें समझ आता है. राइट, द पोयम वाज रिटन बाय नेसिम इज़ेकिएल. तो यहाँ पे जो लोग थे जैसे कि पीजेंट्स वर देयर, होली मैन वॉज देयर, इवन द नरेटर्स फादर वॉज देयर, ऑल ट्राई टू रिड्यूस द पेन ऑफ मदर, बट एवरीथिंग वॉज फ्यूटाइल. इट वॉज इन वेन. इट डिड नॉट वर्क एट ऑल, एंड ऑटोमेटिकली द पेन रिड्यूस्ड आफ्टर 20 hours. Nothing worked there, whatever, but they tried their level best. And in this way we can understand the poem. Dear students, I would like to mention some more things over here related to figures of speech. In this poem, which figures of speeches are used over there? Metaphor. You need to find out the examples. I'm going to give one example, that is giant scorpion shadows. Personification, he risked the rain again. Personification is used. Then what is there? Simile is used. Yes, already swarms of flies, like swarms of fireflies. Then hyperbole is used 100 times. Hyperbole, even that is ironical also. Skeptic and rationalist, even that is the example of irony. Alliteration is used there. And what is that? Parting with his poison. You need to keep one thing in mind. I told you while discussing this one 100 times, I told that irony is there, hyperbole is there. Basically irony is there also. Ironically it is stated there, and this is the exaggeration also. That is why you can take both over there. Now some questions are given over here. We are going to discuss these questions. What is the question first? What is the first question? What does the phrase to paralyze the evil mean in stanza 3? Paralyze, what does it mean? That is nothing but to stop. The evil means what? The pain which is given by, the pain which is there because of the poison of that scorpion. Who are they in stanza 4? Who are they? They means what? The neighbors, peasants. The neighbors and peasants. Whom does the word him refer to in line number 3? Here him means what? Where is that one? Whom does the word refer to in line number 3? Line number 3, where is him now? We need to find it out. Okay, actually him, yes. Him actually it is used for the scorpion. Used for the scorpion. We are discussing the answers. So what is the next one? Why does the poem begin with the poets remembering the night? What is given there? Why does the poem begin with the poets remembering the night? Now you need to find out the answer over here. The poet remembers that night because of what? There was particular incident. And what was that incident? That incident was what? The poet's mother was stung or bitten by the scorpion. And that is why, just because of that incident, the poet remembers that night. Then what forced the scorpion to take shelter in the poet's house? What was that? Definitely that was there was rain, heavy rain. It was raining continually for 10 hours, and that is why to protect himself the scorpion came inside the house and hid himself under the bag of the rice. And what is next question? When did the mother find relief? When did the mother find relief? After 20 hours. This is given over here. After 20 hours, it lost its sting, means there was automatically the pain reduced. And in this way, we discuss this poem, The Night of the Scorpion, in details, line by line, and also we discuss the warming up section initially and after that the poem. स्टूडेंट्स आप सबसे मेरी विनती है, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल प्लीज़, मेरे जो वीडियोस है थोड़े बड़े हैं लेकिन लाइन टू लाइन आपको यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया है, डिस्कशन किया है, उसको एक्सप्लेन किया है। एंड इसी प्रकार से आपको जो है ये जो पोएम्स आपको एग्ज़ाम में पूछने वाले हैं, तो आपको लाइन टू लाइन उसका मीनिंग पता होना चाहिए, न्यू वर्ड्स पता होना चाहिए, इवन फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच यू मस्ट नो, and even you can study this poem in details. And that is why I request you all to watch the entire video. Do not go for the short videos because it may not, आपको सिर्फ क्या हो जाएगा कि थोड़ा सुपरफिशियल समझ में आएगा कि व्हाट इज़ द आइडिया डिस्कस्ड इन दिस पोएम, बट आपको लाइन टू लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं आएगा। इसलिए आपको लाइन टू लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन अगर समझ लेना है, you have to watch this video. Thank you so much. In the next part, we are going to discuss English workshop based on this poem. I request you all to subscribe my channel, like and share. Before going, please see this picture is over there and observe what is given there. Thank you so much.